Hello, my name is Emerson Ramirez Ballestas. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the most memorable vacation in my life. This presentation is part of the activity called Storytelling, my best vacations. For the course English Dash World Level 7 at Sena Centro Agroempresarial Minero, I hope you enjoy my history. My best vacations took place in Barranquilla, a beautiful city in the department of Atlántico, the Caribbean coast of Colombia, also known as La Arenosa. I traveled there with my family and we went by car. The trip was very comfortable and enjoyable. enjoyable. We left early in the morning, and as we arrived in Barranquilla, we all felt very excited about the days ahead. During our vacation, we visited many interesting places. We walking along the Malecon and took many photos by the river. The views were absolutely beautiful. We also explored the colorful city center where we saw local shops and visit cultural places. Of course, we could not live in sin without trying the local food. We tasted fresh seafood, traditional arepas, and many others delicious dishes typical of the Caribbean region. The food was one of the highlights of the trip. But what truly made this vacation unforgettable was our visit to Puerto Colombia. We spent time at the beach, relaxed under the warm sun, and watched the sunset together. It was a very special experience because I enjoyed every single moment with my family. We listened to music, talked for hours, lounged, and shared many memories that I will never forget. This moment felt calm, happy, and full of life. These vacations were different from my previous trip in several ways. I used to stay at home during my free times, or I used to visit nearly place. I also used to take favorite photos and did not usually do many outdoor activities. My trips were usually quieter and simpler, but this time everything was different. I traveled to a movie exciting city. I discovered a new place and new culture. I took more pictures than ever before, and importantly, I felt completely calm and happy throughout the whole trip that made a stand away from all the others. In conclusion, my vacation in Barranquilla was truly amazing. I visited beautiful display, I ate delicious food and spend quality time with the people I love most. My family, the experience helping me practice the past simple tense, the structure used to, and time expressing in English. For me, it was one of the best vacation I have ever had, and hope to go back to Barranquilla someday. Thank you very much for listening.